Yay, salut class! If you had trouble with associé from lundi, here's a walkthrough of answers here. Again, this is associé from Monday the 4th. Say where Marie does each of these activities. Write a complete sentence using the most logical place from the list provided. Now you got to remember how to conjugate ER verbs. Remember for ER verbs, if it's je, it just ends in E. If it's tu, it's es. If it's il, elle, on, or somebody's name, ends in E. If it's nous, it's ONS. Vous is easy. And il or elle plural, or two people's names, is ENT. So take note of that as we go. Okay, they're all going to start with L because we're talking about a girl. And we got un cinéma, un parc, une maison, a house, un grand magasin, a big store, un restaurant, une piscine, a pool, un kiosque, it's a kiosk. It's like a little stand like they have in the middle of the mall with some sunglasses or phone covers or something, or newspapers. And une épicerie, a grocery store. Let's see what happens. Okay. For numéro 1, we got dépenser beaucoup d'argent, spending a lot of money. Look at those choices up there where you're going to spend a lot of money. Elle dépense beaucoup. Gente, she spends a lot of money. You think at the big store there? Let's see. Yeah, un grand magasin. Let me take a look at that. Yep. So dans means in. Dans un grand magasin. Whoops, for Z instead of an S. Whoops, for an S instead of a Z. Magasin. D'accord. All right, how about marcher, to walk? So elle marche. Maybe in a park, maybe a restaurant. I mean, a lot of them could work, but mostly you just go dans un parc. You could walk at the grocery store, but mainly you go to the park to walk. Manger un couscous. That's a special kind of rice grain thing. So, elle mange un couscous. Where's a place where you would order food? Yeah, you don't want to eat in the grocery store, but you want to eat dans un restaurant. Dans un restaurant. And regarder un film français. See a French film. Elle regarde un film français. Oops. Most logical place to watch a film is what? Dans un cinéma. Go to a cinema. And again, they have Netflix and TV like us, but if they're pre-COVID going to see a movie, they would go dans un cinéma. Nager is to swim, so elle nage. You got it. Dans une piscine. And habiter is to live, like a habitat is where you live. Elle habite dans une maison, in a house. And she buys fruit. Elle achète, whoops, des fruits. Remember, achète was a weird one from the last chapter. Elle achète des fruits dans une épicerie. Did I spell that right? Épicerie. Oui. And then trouver un magazine de mode. So that's finding a fashion magazine. Elle trouve un magazine de mode dans un kiosque. Oops, Kiosque. Oui. Alright, let's see what happens. J'espère. Uh-oh. Oh, typo. D'accord. Just one typo. Désolé. My keyboard did not work on the S, so. Dans un grand magasin. Et voilà. Elle dépense beaucoup d'argent dans un grand magasin. Elle marche dans un parc. Elle mange un couscous dans un restaurant. Elle regarde un film français dans un cinéma. Elle nage dans une piscine. Elle habite dans une maison. Elle achète des fruits dans une épicerie. Et elle trouve un magazine de mode dans un kiosque. Oui, bien.